Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I have bought a very nice chicken from the wet market this morning. This is actually ma cao ji. And I'm going to make a chicken stew using carrot and potato. The simplest but the most flavorful. So I'm just going to very quickly show you how to do it. I have approximately, this is probably about 600 gram. 600 gram of the cuts, different cuts coming from the free range chicken. And I have one piece of carrot cut into wedges. Potato, also 2 pieces of potato cut into wedges as well. Also, I have some minced garlic and sliced ginger. That's all you need. And you need to marinate the chicken with some salt, or actually I use fish sauce plus a bit of Shao Hsing wine. If you don't take alcohol, just omit the Shao Hsing wine part. Now, if you are using a non-stick wok like Appa, always add some oil first before you heat it up. Don't heat up with empty wok, it will spoil the wok very easily, alright? So put in some oil, and once you heat it up, we are going to saute the garlic and also ginger. So once the oil is heated up, you can put in the ginger slices and also garlic. Already very flavorful. Seriously, I love ginger. How about you? Who else also like ginger? Leave your comment below, yeah? So saute this for probably a minute. Right? Next thing, we are going to put in the marinated chicken. Look at how beautiful is this free range chicken. I bought it from the wet market. How much is it? I paid for this is a 2 kg chicken. I paid for 45 ringgit. Wow, super fragrant. This is really fragrant. Now we can lower down the heat. Can put in the carrot, the potato, and we are going to add in some seasoning. Oyster sauce, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Some light soy sauce, some Shao Hsing wine. If you don't take alcohol, then just forget about omit the Shao Hsing wine. And a bit of sugar. Not forgetting 1 teaspoon of cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee, Singapore and Malaysia, which is 100% natural. Yeah. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Wow. Mix nicely together. So I'm going to add some water here. Let everything is nicely submerged under the broth. Now this broth automatically become chicken stock because I added my chicken powder just now. That's how easy to make chicken stock nowadays, just to use the right chicken powder, yeah? I'm going to add a little bit more. And we are going to bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, then I'm going to close it with a lid. Now it has started to boil. By the way, just now I forgot to add some of my favorite Vietnamese fish sauce, few dashes. Now, and just close it with a lid, tune down to medium low, and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes. Then it is done. That's how simple it is. I promise you it is very flavorful, but as you can see, it is super easy as well. Right, this is after 20 minutes approximately, simmering under medium-low heat. Wow, you can see all the chicken oil coming out. Ooh, this is going to make this a lot more flavorful. Oh, look at the beautiful golden chicken fat. That is actually the nature sweetness, where the nature sweetness coming from, yeah? I know a lot of you will always trim away all the chicken fat. It's okay to trim away the chicken fat, but don't trim away everything. Leave some. This chicken fat is the sweetness, the source of the nature sweetness. It's basically done. Look at the beautiful color. Look at the broth. Oh, this is going to banje my rice later. Very nice. And why I cook at least 20 minutes, because I want to make sure the carrot and also the potato is nicely cooked. Right? So now you can still adjust, use salt and sugar to adjust to taste before you serve. Basically, it's already done. Okay, now off the fire. Check out this beautiful chicken stew. Very simple but extremely flavorful. Use a good chicken for it. That will make the difference. Yeah? So this is, I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.